Hello, it's Monday, which means it's pretest day. So you should have a sheet that looks like this. You're going to write your name and the date on the sheet. Let me make it so I can write. And this week we are working on spelling test 6. So you can write that on the top of your page. Write the date. On spelling test 6, we have some most common words, but we also have the phonetic scale 1 and 2, as well as the CK rule. So that's what we're going to be checking today. Okay, right here on number 1, I want you to write the word rim. Have you ever been to the rim of the Grand Canyon? Rim. We won't use the prefix and suffix column, but you can make corrections in the next column. You also need to make sure you mark your word. Number 2 is brush. It is important to brush your teeth. Brush. Number 3 is catch. Can you catch a football? Catch. Number 4 is melt. The snow will melt in the spring. Melt. Number 5 is stack. There is a stack of books on the desk. Stack. If you need to listen to any of the words again, or if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video or back it up. But you should have 1 through 5 written down as well as marked. Okay, we're going to do our sentence right here on number 1. Our sentence is, she can pitch the ball with her left hand. She can pitch the ball with her left hand. Listen closely, make sure you write down all the words. She can pitch the ball with her left hand. Okay, make sure you've checked capitals, spelling, punctuation. Make sure you've done your very best on all of it, and then put it on my box and get a Reading Horizon sheet from Miss Hackney.